I'm going to start with making filling of the mochi. It's a simple chocolate ganache. I'm going to use half a cup of dark chocolate. If you have chocolate bars, chop up finely and measure half cup. Or you can use chocolate chips or mix of both. Make sure to use the ones that you enjoy the flavor. I'm molding the chocolate using double boiler, which means I place a heat-proof bowl over the pot full of hot water and melt the chocolate using a heat of hot water. To this, I'm going to add a quarter cup of coconut cream. Use the microwave or stovetop to warm up the coconut cream just before the boil, so that cream incorporated into chocolate nicely. Now whisk it together very well to combine the two and transfer into a tray. I line the parchment paper to the tray so that chocolate comes out easily later. Now let this rest in the fridge until solidified for 1 to 2 hours. While it's chilling in the fridge, let's make the mochi to coat the ganache. So I'm using quarter cup of mochiko and I'm going to place it in a heat-proof bowl or measuring cup. To this, I'm going to add a quarter cup of maple syrup and 1/3 cup of oat milk. Or you can use any plant milk of your choice. This is going to be a milk mochi. Whisk together until well combined and let's microwave it for 1 minute. It's not going to be fully cooked. The result should be unevenly cooked mochi. So using a spatula to mix well and cook another minute. So now mochi is almost cooked, but it's not shiny enough nor stretchy enough. So I'm gonna mix well to even out the texture and cook another 15 seconds. The cooking time may vary depending on the microwave you use. So keep microwaving it until you reach this shiny and stretchy consistency. Once mochi is cooked, transfer it onto a plate and cover the mochi with the potato starch. This is gonna prevent sticking. So now let it cool until safe enough to handle. Let's check the chocolate ganache. It must be solidified. I'm gonna cut this into 8 pieces and roll each piece into a small bowl. Keep your hands cold by touching ice or washing your hands under the cold running water to prevent the chocolate from melting. It's much easier to handle when it's a solid state. Now divide the mochi also into 8 portions and flatten each piece into a thin disc. Make sure to cover the mochi all the way with potato starch, otherwise it's gonna stick to your hands. Place a chocolate ball on the center of mochi and flip and gently squeeze the mochi to cover the bowl and pinch together the back. And you will get this pretty chocolate ganache covered in milk mochi. You can enjoy as it is, or I like to cover mine with cacao powder to make it extra chocolatey. Now let's enjoy chocolate mochi balls. This is plant-based and dairy-free. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!